What's going on, you guys? It's your old pal Isaiah here with another lame video. This video we're reviewing Bullet Train with Brad Pitt. The worst freaking movie I ever saw. One, the story was stupid. I couldn't get on board with it. The storyline was freaking just blamed. The actors freaking spoke a different freaking language, and it was just god awful. Like, if you want to see this movie, I highly recommend you don't, because it's just god awful. Like, it's like really bad. The Blair Witch Project was better than this piece of shit. Like, share and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.